if you're worried about embedding YouTube videos that you've recorded, and at the end of that video, your students see options to view other videos like commercials, and you don't want that to show. You just want your video to play from beginning to end with no additional add-on at the end. The best thing to do is actually embed your video within your Blackboard course. Okay, so I'm going to show you that very quickly. All right, so what you want to do is still go. You always want to start with YouTube. So you want to go to YouTube, and let's say this is the video that you would like to embed. You know, instead, in the past, you know, in your first video I showed you, you can just copy this URL. That's not embedding it though. So I'm going to show you how to embed. So scroll down, and normally it defaults to this, share. And that's not what you want. Sharing is just, hey, here's my web address to my YouTube video, and you can actually copy and paste this into YouTube. But I'm sorry, into Blackboard. But I'm going to tell you that this is not the same thing. So if you hit content, item, build content, and hit item, and you decide, well, you know what, I'm not going to embed my videos in my class. I'm just going to give my students the links. Okay, so you decide just to paste your link in like that. Now you can do that, and it's true, your students will see your videos, but the problem is it's not in your course technically. You're just taking them to YouTube, and they will basically see this. They'll see the standard YouTube video with the video and all these videos down below. It also puts them out of Blackboard. That's why we don't encourage this at all. Because there's such a smooth interface between Blackboard and YouTube, we encourage all faculty to actually put the video in YouTube itself. Plus, it's visually better for your students, and they can view it right in Blackboard without going outside of your class. So we discourage this. I'm going to get rid of that one. If you want to know how to use the standard fastest way to get into YouTube videos, go back and watch that very first video before this one. That's the fastest way. If you want to get more technical, then you want to use this way, which is embedding the video without any type of advertisement. So the way that you do that is that you go back to YouTube as we were out there a minute ago and scroll down, and you're going to see the standard share mode. Change that, of course, to embed. Embedding gives you the full HTML code. You don't have to create it, but you see it here. But I want you to scroll past that. Oftentimes, this will be set up that you have to show suggested videos when the video finishes. You want to uncheck that like it was before. So once you've made sure that you've unclicked this, it's time to go ahead and grab your URL code, your embed code. So go ahead and click the embed code directly, and then hold down your control key, CTRL key, and then select the letter A. And when you select the letter A while holding down the control key, that will highlight that entire embed code. Then all you have to do is right-click, and when you right-click, it will bring up this window, and just click on Copy. That's going to actually copy your embed code. Then go back to Blackboard, and you want to find the HTML button, and it's right here, over to the right. So click on HTML, and you're just going to plug in that HTML code. So plug in the HTML code, hit update, and there's your video. It's that simple. So I know a lot of people are always surprised about how easy it is to get in YouTube videos. It'll first appear as yellow while you're still in edit mode. Go ahead and click submit. And remember, whenever you put in anything in Blackboard, it always comes to the bottom. You can take this little chevron over to the left and bring it up. And just like the first training video I showed you, it's very easy to bring in the videos. Now you can test it. Always test it by hitting play. And we can drag our bar. And what we're looking for is, remember, we're embedding when we don't want those videos at the end to pop up. So let's just look at the very end of the video to make sure we did it correctly.
Doing the interim term.
And we were successful. I love embedding because it cleans up your videos. You don't see all those videos at the end. And one of the things that's really important about that is that YouTube, there's no way to control what videos are displayed in your course. And what if it was something very inappropriate? You would not want that loaded in your course. So we definitely recommend embedding your videos versus copying the videos or linking the videos. We hope this was helpful. If you have any additional questions, please contact CTEL at ctel@lawsonstate.edu.